Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about is Spider-Man PC Remastered perfect? Now, let us change our suit first because I want to play in a different suit. Let's go with the cartoon suit because why not? Or actually let's go with the Mark III suit. Now, PC games, they come, right? We've all played games on a PC. We've all played Cyberpunk 2077. And we all know how many glitches was available in that game. In this game, up until the point I've been playing, I haven't experienced a single glitch. The optimization is absolutely amazing. Now my PC specs, it's not bad. I've got a 3060 with Ryzen 5 5600X, 16 gigs of RAM. And the game is obviously on my SSD, so now it's not a bad computer to play games on, obviously. But I have played games that's like absolutely worse looking, like this, like they're way worse looking than Spider-Man. Yet I don't even get 60 FPS. I get like 30, 20, something like that. Over here, if I turn on my performance overlay, as you can see, I'm getting 70 FPS right now. That's because this game is on max settings with ray tracing turned on and all that. And my render latency is on 11.2, so 10.1, whatever. So, it is perfect. In my opinion, if the launch date games, no launch date game is absolutely perfect. But up until the point I've been playing, up until the point I've been doing, I have not seen a single hiccup in this game. So for now, I'm still gonna go with the sentence saying this game is absolutely perfect. But obviously, I'll have to play more, I'll have to see more in order to say if this game is indeed actually perfect or not. But with that being said, that comes to the conclusion of me saying this game is perfect. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.